Okay guys, let's start with the clip whereby they were rating J-League, where they said J-League is not a superstar, guys. Here's the clip.
Where do we put J-League as an artist in South Africa? Is he upcoming, intermediate, or an A-list artist?
Lack of branding, J-League, lack of branding, good J-League, it's a number one thing. So I can't put him there with the superstars. Music he makes he's okay. He's fine. He's gonna leave. He's gonna buy a big house. He's gonna have a nice car. The music he makes, because it's streamable. He's a good DJ. He's a good performer. But will I really buy a ticket and go to J-League one-man show as a performer, like on a theater? No, maybe not.
Yep guys, this didn't sit well with J-League. That is why he decided to clap back at them guys, Sfiso, Tahi and Mas guys. In fact, the whole Piano Pulse insulted J-League. That is why he responded angry towards Sfiso and the other guys. Here's J-League responding to Piano Pulse.
Isihlama nje ngidisappointwa isihlama engeke sikutshele emehlweni masikubona mara sikwazi ukukhuluma kuma podcast ukuthi thina siyenza Sfiso uswag man. Angizitholelanga lezi zinto lezi ezo, abangiphanga lezi mahala lezo, abazange bathi kimi ngizithole mahala lezi zinto ezo. Sfiso lezi zinto lezi i-achievement mfana wami ezo, lezi uzazi ezo akusimali lezo ozitshontshayo lezo asihlama ezo. Uyangikwatisa uthi mina ngini wena nalamadey wakho aboThahi nithi ngenzani, nale ntombazane engakwazi ukule week uthi nithi ngenzani. Yini angijwayela ningizwa aningizwa Sfiso awungizwa and ngifuna ungitshela mawuhlangana nami emehlweni usunwe nje ezo, ukhuluma lento oyikhulumayo ezo, ungitshela uthi kimi nje uyintwana angazi ngithi ngiyini ezo. Sfiso sizohlangana mngani wami. Futhi angisingumngani wezintsha mina. Nina nijwayela abantu abalungile kabi yazi. Yazi mara yazi. Angicela ama-endorsement deals wenu, angaze ngathi ngifuna isponsor, angazi ningifakelani mina. Ukanguzwa ngithi ngifuna i-influencer dealership mina. Ukangibona mina ngihleli phansi ngifuna nama-influencer dealership. Sfiso mawuzo ngikompare nabantu ungizwani mara ningizwani linkutlwang mara linkutlwang Sfiso. You Sfiso yazi uyaphapha Sfiso, bakubuza imibuzo lapha la imali zabantu wathula. Iyo manje udelelo wrong mfana, usizwe alakhayini uniyekile shame, yazi akanishaya ngikhulume nani mina, ngeke sikhulume mfana. Wena ufuna ustaka wena. Hayi Sfiso uyadelela shame. Hayi Sfiso uyadelela nje yami wena, nale pumpesi yakho le uThahi, nale skheberesh lesi silapho ningijwayela nina nasi niyasijwayela, nifuna ukuduma ngathi senabo siduma ngabani nina Sfiso. Senitshela thina ukuthi where do we place J-League in this thing, where do we place you guys in this podcasting nina, where do we place you guys, sinibekaphi nina? Ngoba niyazithathela nje indaba zethu nigijima ngazo nje, ungaqeda nizosiphaphela niyas-disrespect. He's doing better than Scott. Ungaphapha ukhuluma uthini, uyaphaphela uScott. You don't even know where to play. Awazi nala kumele udlalele khona. Uzibiza ngani? What's your profession Sfiso? Njengoba uzothi mina.
Yep guys, some of you I know that they will say they were wrong. Some of you they will say they were doing their job, because their job is to rate and review superstars guys. So I don't know what to take on this one guys. You can leave the comments down in the comment section. I love to hear from you what's really on your mind right now guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.